Guntur was a young man who worked hard every day. His family was poor and they had a lot of debt. His father worked as a janitor and his mother washed clothes for other people. Guntur had a younger brother and Guntur wanted to make sure he could stay in school, but they struggled to pay for everything. To help, Guntur did all kinds of jobs just to make ends meet. One night, after a long day, Guntur saw a TV show about a man who became famous through boxing. This man had started with nothing, but he worked hard and became a champion. Guntur thought, maybe I could do something like that too. The next day, while helping his mother with laundry, some loan sharks came to their house. They were angry because the family hadn't been able to pay off their debts. The loan sharks started beating Guntur, demanding the money. He couldn't fight back and thought he wouldn't survive. Just when things seemed hopeless, a stranger appeared and stopped the loan sharks. The men easily chased them away. Guntur was shocked. The stranger introduced himself as Rahman, a boxing coach. "You've got potential," Rahman said after seeing how Guntur held himself during the attack. "Have you ever thought about boxing?" At first, Guntur wasn't sure. He had so many responsibilities, and boxing seemed like a far-off dream. But after thinking it over, he decided to give it a try. His family supported his decision, hoping it could lead to something better. Guntur started training with Rahman at local gym. The workouts were hard and every part of his body hurt. Sometimes he wanted to quit, but every time he felt like giving up, he thought of his family that gave him the strength to keep going. After months of training, Guntur entered his first boxing match. He didn't win first place, but he came in third. This made him even more determined. He trained harder, running every morning and working out at the gym for hours. Rahman pushed him to his limits, but Guntur kept going. In his next match, Guntur won first place. The prize money helped him pay off some of the family's debt, and he was able to pay his brother's school fees. He felt proud, not just for himself, but for his family. People in the community started to notice him, and soon he was invited to bigger competition. One day, Guntur got amazing news. He was chosen to represent his country in an international boxing tournament. He was excited but also nervous. The competition would be tough with skilled boxers from around the world. When the day arrived, Guntur fought well in the early rounds, but in the final match, he faced his strongest opponent yet. The man was huge and powerful, and Guntur struggled to keep up. For a moment, Guntur felt like he might lose. His body was sore and he was tired. Then Guntur remembered his family. He thought of his mother working hard every day and his father always trying to help, no matter how tired he was. He thought of his younger brother and how he was fighting for a better life for all of them. With this thought, Guntur found a new strength. He got back on his feet and started fighting with everything he had. He dodged his opponent's punches and landed a strong punch of his own. His opponent stumbled and Guntur saw his chance. With one fatal punch, he knocked his opponent down. The crowd went wild. The referee counted and Guntur was declared the winner. Tears filled his eyes as he realized what he had just accomplished. He had not only won for himself but for his family and everyone who believed in him. Guntur had gone from a boy struggling to make ends meet to a champion, and his future now looked bright.